Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini ki longi khubor bam da kasni. Kathma phet seng jung ki saungut ki MLA jung ki Indian National Congress INC kadang beteng ban aijing ujor lasha ka Meghalaya Assembly nesha ka Meghalaya High Court. Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kelabu da ka Public Interest Litigation PIL persha yaki MLA ki ba phet seng Daga bapa sya ulampang ke yung darbar thawan ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Ya kete ke jing ujor la yalam da uba Manuel Batwar Working President bat ki Mukhtiar Jongka. Ha ka PIL ke dawan o speaker bu unshimkya ya ke jing phet seng jing ki saungut ki MLA uba Gabriel Walang MLA ke Nongston u Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati u Dr. Celestin Lingdo MLA Umsning bat uba Roni V Walang MLA ke Melim. Kitegi MLA Congress Junction kilalet ban penyeso syakaseng NPP yaitu ba Manuel Batwar ya kejing ujor kadai marwe bat la pendat lang ya kisabut namar ki pynkheiñ ya kahok balajit upat ba ong uba Manuel Batwar. Rehadin kilalet eso shkiwe part ki party ke Congress kala ong bakane kalong kejing pynkheiñ ya kaan 10 schedule anti defection law bat ka penhiar shilyang ya kejing shania jonggi pat ba ki balajit. President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ulang ba kejingyat bet klem da shimkya ya kini kejing phet seng kanlong kejingya penjot ya ke demokrasi hajila. Ka PIL kelapan ru ba kaying darbar jila kan penbet ya ke bapai sya ke hukum jo kaying bishar lada jia ba omdon kejing penkre na kaliang uspika. Kumbalong mentah kejing bishar ikani ka PIL kadang up ikejing bishar jong ka High Court bantip lada on priang neem. Kadai ke history hai ke sensyar ke kadar hajala Meghalaya baki MLA phet chisin phet kinsha aijing ujor kyntiap ke Congress kala ujor PIL persha yiki MLA phet seng ke dawaban pentrai kami ke anti defection law ab ke jala ya ke rai jo ke ying bishar halor kene ke kam.
We don't foresee that the speaker will take a decision against this appeal. Then the speaker might be wrong in his assessment, right? So I don't think so. The speaker is of that caliber which he does not understand the weight in which we put into this case. Yeah.
But naturally it can happen. So the next course is the court.
The next court, the High Court is the next court. The High Court is the next court.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1.
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love
Hello Meghalaya!